Guys, today I am going to be filming a video on how to make a machine gun turret. Just let me set up my camera. I don't really quite have like that screen where like you actually have the whole camera screen, but what I'm playing is Minecraft. So I'm going to show you how to make a machine gun turret in Minecraft. Now, if you have a phone, this won't work on your phone, so I'm going to be showing you another thing that you can do on your phone to make a machine gun turret. Now, no mods. I never use mods, seriously. So yeah. What's up, guys? And today we are going to be doing a video on how to make a machine gun turret. Like this video, I would say. If you like, leave a like. Now, what you're going to need is redstone repeater, redstone torch, redstone dust. I'm not going to do like the actual weapon itself, but I'll do that later on in the video. Just let me clean up dirty. About this much, I'm going to replace a repeater like that. Oh, I like that. That I've done moved up. Redstone. Then you do this. But then you break it and place it back quickly, and then this will happen. Now, for people that have like a phone or a tablet, this works on a computer, by the way. What you do is you take this. You do this, break that block, and then you clean up this a little bit. So then you place a redstone dust, and this will happen. But you have to place multiple for it to work. You have to place 3, otherwise if you only place 1, the torch will burn out and break. Let's see what happens when I break this. They die, but if you place this here, well, okay, let's get my mind. So yeah, if you guys are able to see that, that's good. Let me show you what my skin looks like. I am a creeper. I'm going to be making a channel called Minecraft Blows. Oh, sorry. Let me get out you guys over. Not because I'm not saying that it stinks. It's because I'm a creeper. Give me a second. I'm going to change my gamer tag. So the gamer tag. Okay. One second. Gotta be soon, so it's gonna have a creeper face on it. And I'm also gonna have like a Nerf gun YouTube channel. And yeah. That is, so just so you know, this is my first video, but I had two, counting the one that I made the review on, the Nemesis. It's a Nerf gun, by the way, if you don't know what it is. Rival Nemesis. Like, go.